First flown in February 1963, the MH-6A Cayuse entered service in September 1966, establishing 23 world records for speed, distance, and altitude. The Cayuse was Hughes' longest-running helicopter program, and during the Vietnam War, as many as 100 of these helicopters were built in a month. Initially called Loach, an adaptation of its acronym, it was officially named Cayuse. It was also known as the Flying Egg, and when equipped for combat, the helicopters were referred to as Killer Eggs. The modern-day MH-6 variants flown by the U.S. Army Special Operations Forces are known as the MH-6 Little Bird, which is still in service today.